Viewers, welcome to Tech Travelers Hub. Today I am going to unbox Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra lavender color. I am unboxing it while buying, so it will not that much perfect. Okay, this is the phone, and the color is really nice for ladies. Okay, let's remove the sticker first. It's really beautiful. I don't know whether the color in the video is exactly like it or not, but the real color is really nice. Let's turn on the phone. Samsung. Okay, the ceiling light is reflecting the phone. This is the camera setup. It's really beautiful. It was released February 2023, 6.43 into 3.07 into 0.35 inch dimension, weight 234 gram, glass front Victus 2, glass back Victus 2, aluminum frame, nano SIM. This is dual SIM variant, IP68 dust or water resistant up to 1.5 meter for 30 minutes. The display type is AMOLED, dynamic AMOLED 2x, 120 Hz, HDR10 plus supported, 1200 nits SBM, 750 nits peak. The display size is 6.8 inch display, 89.9% screen to body ratio, 1440 into 3088 pixels, 500 ppi density. The display is really good. Okay, we will like it. It's smooth and really nice color. This is the S Pen. Okay, it's also a really nice addition. It was only for Samsung Notes. Now it is also available in Samsung Galaxy S series. Okay, the processor is a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8th generation 4 nanometer SM8550. There is no card slot. My phone variant is 2056 GB internal memory and 8 GB RAM. Let's test the camera. There are 4 cameras in the back, 200 megapixel wide screen, 10 megapixel telephoto and 10 megapixel periscope telephoto, 12 megapixel ultra wide, 4 camera. Okay, and the selfie camera is 12 megapixel. The image quality is really good. Fingerprint under display ultrasonic. The battery is 5000 mAh Li-ion non-removable. It supports 45 watt wire charging and 15 watt wireless charging. The overall design of the phone is really good. It's really identical. Samsung is doing really well. Now Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is also available. The price is little bit high. Viewers, thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.